This video will show you how to set up your load combination in CADAM3D. The load combination button is available from the analysis menu bar. So I'll click load combinations. I will enlarge that dialog window so we can see better. And what we can see now is that we have already defined 21 load cases. So the first 21 are automatically generated and they cannot be activated or deactivated. Even if you click on unclick here, automatically CADAM3D will do the analysis of that load case. Otherwise, if you define a user load case, so you can deactivate or activate it, and CADAM3D will not do the analysis. So these load cases were all defined previously directly after you have defined the type of section that you wanted to analyze. In this case, we have a gravity section. There are 20 load cases that are automatically generated. So the first one is a usual case, and then you have unusual with draining operative, or ice unusual, and then you have the flood case, and finally the seismic and post-seismic cases. For the seismic cases, since we have two directions, the horizontal and the vertical direction, and we have a combination of both, so sometimes we put full in one direction and 30% in the other direction. In this case, for the horizontal seismic would be upstream, downstream, and the 30% of the vertical seismic. And we can as well play with the direction of the seismic. So all these possibilities end up having 8 seismic events. And these seismic events will produce 8 post-seismic events. So the first post-seismic here, I3A, correspond to the seismic event E2A here. So if I compute any cracks here into this seismic event, the cracking will be transported to this post-seismic load combination, and then it will be treated as an initial condition for that post-seismic. So water may penetrate inside the crack and increase the uplift after a seismic event. And this will be done here in the post-seismic. As well, you can set an initial condition for all your load cases. This is done here into initial condition. You can either do no initial condition or use any normal combination. If you do that, then you have a list of the normal combination. In this case, we have 2. The one that is created by the user and the one that is automatically generated by the software. If you want to change any of these parameters or load cases, just simply click it, go to Edit, and then change the value that you want to change. In this case, we would increase the dead load by 20% by putting a scale factor of 1.2. If I click OK, then I have a 1.2 here. So I'm going to restore that value to 1. And that's about it. Click OK. And from that point, you can start your analysis and view directly the results of this analysis. Thank you.